What a start to the week. Yesterday, Monday, was not so fruitful, I might say. We went up and then down, and what you're looking at here in the chart is gold. And I'm just going to go over these two trades that I've taken on gold, which would be this one over here, buy side, and then the sell side towards the downside. However, my recap tomorrow is going to be much more interesting because we are in an A+ trending environment so far on oil towards the upside, on gold towards the downside, NQ, NASDAQ towards the downside. So a very interesting time. Anyway, let's get into this review. So the first trade I would like to go over is this one here, which happened right at the VWAP. Once we zoom in, we're going to notice that price action has supported this VWAP push. Once we went below that, I really started building, even though I took two pretty bad execution trades over here at the second support of the VWAP, which is this. The third time we came right above that area, and that's when I got my definite entry, which was a reclaim of this level right there. I really built up on it and even sized up, and then I run this all the way up into the daily highs, which is here. That's this daily high. But I also built a little bit over here when price action formed this double bottom right there. See this? So once we hit the support level, I built on a little bit more, which just two trades, and I run them a little bit more than this one. What happened next is that the market turned around. Not before I managed to get one more buy entry here, but then everything turned bearish. We went below the POC, the market state turned bearish, and we had a pretty solid buildup right here where price action accumulated, and I was seeking to get into the highs, which would give me a much cleaner exit if we reclaim this area and head back towards the VWAP. The reason I got out here is that here we have gray zones, and then there's nothing, and then over here we have gray zones again. So the moment we came into that and started pushing back up, that's where I got out. In overall, trading can be very simple for you if you just create a system that has a definite entry criteria. For me, I've got 3 of those. I've got my A's, my B's, and my C's, and I also have A+. I had 0 A+ setups on Monday, but today, Tuesday, I've got a bunch of them. So I can't wait to actually show you the recap tomorrow. Aside from that, the only reason I'm showing these recaps here is to show you that it's possible to trade very well if you have definite entries and a complete trading system.